Hi guys, Adam here, and welcome back to another video on Adam's Toyland. Today I'm going to be showing you this Wild Republic grizzly bear. The grizzly bear is a subspecies of the brown bear. Grizzly bears are found in Alaska, Wyoming, Idaho, Montana, and possibly southern Colorado, as well as western Canada. Grizzly bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Here are some examples of what grizzly bears eat. Grizzly bears eat seeds, berries, roots, grasses, fungi, deer, elk, dead animals, fish, and insects. Adult grizzly bears do not have any predators, but cubs, on the other hand, they are hunted by wolves, mountain lions, and male grizzly bears. The mother grizzly bear is very protective of their cubs, and she will attack anyone who goes near the cubs. The grizzly bear may be bigger than a black bear, but the biggest bear in North America is the mighty polar bear. That guy lives in the Arctic. The grizzly bear's favorite food is salmon. The male grizzly bear is called a boar, the female grizzly bear is called a sow, and baby grizzly bears are called cubs. Male grizzly bears weigh up to 1,700 pounds, and female grizzly bears weigh up to 800 pounds. It is clear that male grizzly bears are heavier than female grizzly bears. Okay, time for the rating. I rate this Wild Republic grizzly bear a 10 out of 10. I recommend anybody getting this animal if they like grizzly bears, and apex predators. The grizzly bear and the black bear are the two common bear species in Colorado. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please click the like button down below and to subscribe. Click the picture of Tinsel to subscribe to this channel. Oh, one more thing. Stay loving grizzly bears. See you later. Bye.